Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to cut your contour lines with your boundary side projects in 30 seconds. If you don't know how to get these 3D contour lines files, just go to TopoExport.com, the link is in the description. To cut the contour lines to match your site area, first turn off all your hatch layers. Then select the outline of your site and type the extreme command. Now click on the outside part of your site area. This will cut all the lines outside the boundaries. To show you the result, I will move the site area to the right side of the screen and delete any leftover lines. Thanks for watching, don't forget to like and subscribe.